Is your engine shaking like a leaf and burning through gas like crazy? If you are feeling a serious loss of power and a rough idle, you need to check for a specific fuel injector problem immediately. We are talking about trouble code P0261, which translates to cylinder number 1 injector circuit low. This is a generic powertrain code that applies to almost all OBD2 vehicles, whether you drive a Ford truck or a Hyundai sedan. Here is what is happening under the hood. Your engine has fuel injectors that spray gas into the cylinders. The computer controls these injectors by sending a voltage signal. When you get this code, the computer is seeing low voltage at the injector for cylinder number 1. This means the injector is not opening properly or at all. When that cylinder does not get fuel, it misfires. The ripple effect is huge. Your oxygen sensors see a lean mixture, meaning too much air and not enough fuel, so the computer tries to compensate by dumping more fuel into the other cylinders. This tanks your fuel economy and can even cause engine knocking, which damages the motor. The symptoms are a flashing or solid check engine light, a very rough idle that feels like the car is about to stall, and zero power when you try to accelerate. The causes are rarely the computer itself. In over 45 years of automotive experience, the most common culprit is actually a loose or corroded electrical connector on the injector itself. Other causes include a dirty or plugged injector or a break in the wiring harness. To fix this, you need to get your hands dirty. First, locate the fuel injector for cylinder number 1. Check the plastic connector. Pull on it gently to see if it is loose. Remove the wire clip, take the connector off, and look for green corrosion or bent pins. If it looks okay, add some dielectric grease and snap it back on tightly. Here is a great mechanic trick to see if it is working. Start the engine and take a long screwdriver. Place the metal tip on the body of the injector and put your ear against the handle. You should hear a sharp, rhythmic clicking sound. If it is silent, the injector is dead or not getting power. If you have a multimeter, check for 12 volts at the connector with the key on. If you have power but no click, the injector is likely failed and needs replacement. If it clicks but the engine still runs bad, the injector might just be clogged. You can try a direct injector cleaning kit that runs the engine on pure cleaner, but if that fails, swapping out the injector is your best bet. Do not ignore this one. Driving with a dead cylinder can ruin your catalytic converter and lead to much more expensive repairs.